Hey, what's up? My name's Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful makeup look. It's super natural, super easy to do. You basically only need one product line, so if you're into the NARS Soft Matte look, then definitely keep watching. I tell you what products I use, what color I use, all that good stuff to complete this look. And before we jump in the video, please like this video. It helps me out so much. It lets me know what videos you want to see. It helps other people find the video because YouTube tells them it's good content, so definitely subscribe. And without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. All right, so we're starting out with the freshly washed face. I have moisturizer and SPF on. You can see I have moles. They're hereditary. They get worse with sun and age, so yeah. So today we're gonna do like a really natural look just because it's a pretty chill day. It is technically 4th of July, but it's been a rainy day. So usually with 4th of July, you're outside. So I'm gonna go with something that kind of aligns with a very natural dewy look. Well, I don't know if I'll go with dewy. We'll figure that out. But we're gonna go with a more natural look. So today I'll use the Maybelline Master Prime. It's the green color one in the color 300. And I'll apply that all over my face. Then what I'll do is I will go in with this NYX Thick It Stick It in the color Brunette. This is a great way to do your brows very naturally. Mine is honestly almost out. It's just a tinted brow gel that works really well. Because it has a pointy end, if you lift it, like don't put the base flat, you can easily get the corners of your brows. Now that that's done, I'll take a brow gel. Today I'll just use the NYX brow gel. And it's a clear color that got so dirty it's now brown. And I'm just gonna brush my brows up. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so you can see these brows are super thick, kind of crazy, but that's the point. Then I'll take the spoolie on the back of a brow brush, and I'm just gonna brush my brows up. Just because I did cut a little bit of this brow out, I'm gonna fill it in a little more than I typically would. So today I will use an angled brush, and I'm using this brow pomade in the warm medium brown color from Benefit. And I'm just gonna fill in underneath the brow. Perfect. Also, if you don't like to take a lot of time on your brows, just like I do, what you can do is just get your brows tinted and that'll solve your problem for a while. So now I'm gonna take this NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Praline. I'm gonna put this underneath my brows to clean them up. I'm just using any excess I have on the brush on my lid, and what that'll do is just set my eyelids up for eyeshadow. It'll act as a primer. That's how I'm doing here. That took a while, so for future, definitely just tint your brows. It'll be like 2 seconds if you do that. Okay, so now that the base is set, today I'll be using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the color Barcelona. It is considered a medium tone. And typically I just apply dots all over my face, but I'm gonna just apply a little bit on the back of my hand. What that does is help you not put too much product on all at once, so it's a little less cakey when you apply your foundation. So I have this, and then I have this Real Techniques brush, foundation brush in the number 200 is what it's called. You can get this off Amazon. And I'm just gonna apply that across my entire face. And I'm looking to the right a lot because I have a mirror here. Or right or left. It's my left, but maybe you're right. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I've noticed NARS is like really good for my texture. Like a NARS matte foundation. Now what I'll do is I will apply this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It comes in a pot. I'm not usually a concealer in a pot kind of girl, but I want to try this whole NARS Soft Matte collection just to see how well it works. So I've used this twice and it does work pretty good. So I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. So I don't know the proper technique, if you're actually supposed to be swiping or you're supposed to be dabbing. I feel like with most makeup, you're supposed to kind of dab. So I'm gonna try it on this side and see if it makes any difference. I think the product definitely goes on thicker, but I don't know if that's a good thing for concealer. Okay, perfect, so that's done. Today I'll do something different and I'll apply this Juvia's Place Kalari powder underneath my eyes, and what that'll do is just kind of help set it in place. And it's a super bright yellow. It's like this color is kind of crazy, but you know, might as well just have some fun with it. We got ourselves our powder puff. You can get these off Amazon. The key with putting on your powder so that way they don't get too cakey is to kind of dab off all the excess. So you see you have it on here, then you gotta go like this and get off all the loose ones. I want to try the NARS Soft Matte powder that they just, I don't know if it just came out, but it seems like it might have just came out with the same line. But it's supposed to be like the color I think I need. It's like a yellowish color, but it's not a loose powder like this is. So I think that's actually better because it's not as messy, and then you don't have to do this, I don't believe. So I'm just putting it anywhere that I get super oily. Today, because we've been using a lot of NARS, I'll use the NARS Laguna Bronzer. It is like their second, I think it's the second lightest color. And I'm using this e.l.f. brush. It's a e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush is what it's called. I'm just gonna apply that because I'm trying this whole matte look. I'm gonna go up. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So that's just like a natural bronze, not like a big crazy contour that I typically like. Now I'm gonna apply some blush. So today I'll use this Fit Me blush in the color 35. It is a coral color. I think it's actually called coral. I'm just gonna apply that to my brush. I'm using just like a blending brush from, or a blush brush from Sonia Kashuk, I think it's called. And then I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals, this old one, but it's super potent and so good. I should actually get more Bare Minerals blushes, but it's You Had Me at Merlot. So I'm gonna apply that, which is like more of like a purple, and then the coral, which is like an orangey color. Then I will apply just some bronzer onto my eyes, and then maybe add a little bit of color depending. So I'll use that same NYX bronzer, and this one gets really messy. Like you can see, it just like, it eventually falls off, but the good thing is you can use that fall off for your eyeshadow brush. So bronzer is super versatile, it's very natural, which is great. Then I'll take a little bit of loose powder, the Laura Mercier in the color Translucent. I'm just gonna apply that to under my bronzer, and what that'll do is just kind of create that nice chiseled look, while also setting the foundation in place that was over there. And I'll say, I think like loose powder is one of those few things you should like spend a decent amount of money on, because when you go to take pictures at night, if you do one that's like not a higher quality, you run the risk of flashback and it being very obvious your face is caked up. So I'll let that sit. And then what I'll do is apply some lashes. So I got these off Amazon. These are the Fan Fixin gorgeous eyelashes. Basic, but they're cute. They do its job. I don't always apply eyelashes. I typically use, like, do my own like lash extensions, or I just do mascara because it's kind of late and I don't want to have to take all this mascara off and it be super heavy and take forever to take off at night. I'm just doing lashes today. So I'm using this glue. It's from Lash Couture. I don't even know how I got this. Probably off Amazon. I'm applying that to the strip lash. I'm gonna try something different that I don't typically do. So I'm gonna blow dry this a little bit so that way it can be a little more tacky. Was I supposed to use hot air? I don't know, probably not. My eyes gonna be so irritated. Okay. Okay, those are on. They're not on well, but they're on. Then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush of any kind. This one is just one I just used the other day. I'm just gonna kind of brush this area to get any excess powder off. And then this, I'm brushing upwards. But you see that helps with that chisel. Okay, I'm gonna finish this look off with this Rare Beauty 4-in-1 Mist, Always Optimist. This I just found, it has a tiny bit left, so I'm just gonna use it. All right, we're gonna top it off with a nudish color lip, nudish pink lip. So I'm using this ColourPop lip pencil in the color BFF3. It's a very dark brown, mauvey color. These things are so soft, especially relative to like NYX. The one thing also about these pencils is they don't do well in the heat. So like, don't be discouraged and throw them out if they get melty and it seems like the wax is coming all the way through. Just like put it back in. Shave down your pencil to make it sharp again and just keep using it because the heat will melt these bad boys. Then I'll take BFF, the color BFF. It's like a more of a pinkish color, and you can see here's an example of what I'm like referring to. Like you see how that was like non-existent and then that happens? It's fine, the pencil still works. Then I'll top off my lips with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. All right, and this is the final look. So cute, so natural, so soft. Got a little bit of shine because of the Rare Beauty spray. But yeah, this is it. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. The like lets me know that this is a video you want to see more of, which is really helpful. So I know what I can be posting more of and that you guys enjoy. Also, if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out, helps other people find me in the algorithm, all that good stuff. I'm trying to grow this channel so that we can continue to provide content for you guys. And if you like anything related to do-it-yourself beauty, natural hair, all that good stuff, I'm the girl that posts about all those things, so happy to share. And yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.